We're going out. We're going to Utrecht today with my Harry. We're going to Utrecht. Now we're waiting for our bus.
Kung maka-hour
For
bus ka
where?
wagas. Yung asawa ko naman, tanong ko ako saan ang punta.
Bus
Bus 34 ang sabi.
Here come the bus. Our bus.
Bus mo? Paano ka nakabili ng bus? Mataka lang kayo mo ah.
We are in the bus. Sarili namin ang bus. So we need to take our second bus. We're waiting for our second bus.
May pa-holding hands pa kayong dalawa.
Now we are in Utrecht.
Te, naulaw ka magsalita ano?
This is a new bus.
New bus?
This new bus.
Now we are gonna walk a little.
Let's go.
Yes, we have to go to down.
So dito na kami nag-start maglakad. Papunta
Sa
doon sa
McDonald's.
maraming tao. Tapos dito nakakita kami ng boat. Binidyohan ko ang ganda.
You see how nice he do it.
Utrecht.
What's look?
So dito nakakita kami ng french fries. Bumili ang asawa ko. Kumain kami ng french fries. Tapos syempre nagpicture kami dalawa. Tapos dito nahiya ako magsalita. Nag-video na lang ako. Habang inaantay ko yung asawa ko. Kasi nag-CR siya.
Going home. Bye, Utrecht.
Volgende halte, Janskerkhof.
Now we're done. We're going home. That's it. See ya. Bye.